Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan. We're going away for a few days. Away from Manchester weather. We're going to a little bit warmer. Ready na kami guys. Ayan. Ito yung isang bag. Pangalawang bag. By EasyJet. Alam nyo naman, you have to purchase everything. Kung gusto mo ng madaming kakargahin. O, diba? So, meron lang kaming 15 kg luggage. That's our things now. 4-3. Sa aming tatlo. Daddy, you ready?
Going to the Philippines.
No. Nah. Not this time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh. Trying to zip his coat, Daddy. 1 second. Let me help you. Let me help you. Daddy, hold please. He's excited. Yeah. So, ayun guys, we're going to Gibraltar. Pag ako guys, pag first time kong hindi ko marinig, pag first time kong mabasa, kala ko Gibraltar. Yun pala Gibraltar ang pronunciation po. Okay, see you later. Seatbelt. We're in the Uber taxi now, guys. Nice car. Mercedes. Nice car, brother.
Thank you.
Daddy.
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming.
Tiki monkey.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, seatbelt, guys. Say hi, guys. Come on. Do the vlogging. Hi, guys.
Daddy. Ouch.
We're in the airport now. Ang lamig. Pero warmer yung pupuntahan namin. We're going to Gibraltar. Hi guys, ayan, naka-check-in na kami. Holiday starts now.
Salamat.
So, this is our all-day brunch. Last call, guys. Final call.
All matter.
All others. No, I think it's fine, bye. Bye! Hindi ko na film yun, ah. Sabi niya, mabuhay! Daddy? Impressive! Mabuhay! Kami yung nahuli, guys. Kala ko kasi magbubukas pa lang yung gate. Yun pala, pasara na. Guys, parang stressful tong ano namin simula nag-book kami. Diyos ko po, inang asawa ni Amang. Yeah, hindi ko pa na-change yung nappy niya. Change ko yung nappy niya later na lang sa plane. Bye-bye, see ya. Ayun, yun yung nagsabi ng mabuhay. Yung plane namin, guys. Yeah, we're traveling. Yay! EasyJet.
or produces smoke, let us know immediately. And please monitor your device if you are charging from a power bank.
Seatbelt ni Zay,
Charging
pero
vapes
mamaya
or e-cigarettes is
mag-transfer.
not permitted, and these must be
Mamaya
switched off
mag-transfer
now.
siya dyan. Hi guys, ayan na yung batang makulit. May sarili na siyang upuan. Ah. Daddy.
Next one.
Safety first, Anna.
Reading the safety tips. Hi guys. Go na. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm enjoying riding the plane. Can you show them the sea of clouds? Come on. Show them the sea of clouds. Huh? Close the window. Close the window. Here. Close. Yay. Say hi guys.
Sleeping, yeah.
Everybody's
God
sleeping.
knows how are you.
Everybody's sleeping now. So come on. Sleep now as well. We don't. Kasi sleeping na yun. We've just arrived guys. Gibraltar. Here.
It's Bramber.
I know. Can you ask this guy?
Please. Shoot.
Oh yeah.
We've got a pram, did he? Come there. Stop fucking
Okay,
around.
okay. Thank you. Guys, we're here in Gibraltar. Ayan, palabas na kami and tsaka namin i-sort out kung saan yung accommodation. Ayan, si Simon gusto nang lumayas. Gusto nang umalis. We're in Gibraltar, Z! Woo! We ran away from Manchester weather and now it's raining. Oh, it's raining. Di garapon. I thought it's gonna be warmer in here. Ay, ay, ay. Guys, naglalakad kami sa runway. Dito kami lumapag kanina. At ito yung ano, famous rock mountain. Okay na, hurry up ko na. Diyan kami lumapag, runway. It's very, babe, amazing. They let people pass. First time ko nito guys, maglakad sa runway. Pa-exit na naman na. Yan o. Pa-exit na kami. 20 minutes. 20 minutes na lang. Umikot kasi kami eh. Yan yung airport oh. Tell it. What is your surprise?
So I've got a surprise car, babe. We're surprise car. We're picking the car up.
Yeah.
But they did the wrong colour.
But we're still walking. Hi guys! So, we're here on our accommodation. It's a one-bedroom flat. So, I'll show you the toilet. That's the toilet. Oh, it's the same. Shower. Zoran, come here. Si Zoran, guys, very curious. Lahat nahawakan na niya. Diyos ko po, inang asawa ni Amang. Lahat na busisi na niya. Sulok ng kwarto. And this is our bedroom. Double bed. It's alright, this.
Balcony there.
Oh, yeah. The balcony. My husband said the balcony. Oh, there's a sitting area there. There's a lamp. Oh, 1 second. And we have this balcony. It's so windy in here. It's raining. Yeah. That's our balcony. And we've got the lounge here. Ayaw ni Simon magpakita. My work table. What do you call this one, babe? Workstation. Work. I don't know how to house raid, guys. House raid, house tour. And this is the kitchen.
Oh, your
Kitchen.
birthday card.
I'm baking now. Something. Pumunta sa Gibraltar para mag-bake. Meron silang pa-free coffee. Ito. So, ayun. May washing machine din. And, ang malaking ref na nag-supermarket na kami, guys. Umuulan dito, actually. So, umuulan. Oh, you're opening your birthday card now from grandma and granddad. After tomorrow, anak ko. Yeah? Are you excited? You don't get anything. Yeah. No, anak ko ang daddy. Open already.
It's late. It's too late now.
Okay.
Let mommy read it.
Zoran, so have a brilliant day. Love you loads. Hugs and kisses from granddad and grandma. Yay! So, I think that's it for today's vlog. Tomorrow, after tomorrow, punta kami somewhere. Hopefully, hindi na umulan. So, makapasyal kami ng matiwasay. See you on the next one.
My